Good evening and thanks for joining us. We're starting with breaking news. Machelle Hobson, the Maricopa woman accused of abusing her adopted kids and forcing them to perform on YouTube videos, died earlier today. Hobson achieved internet fame through her YouTube channel starring her 7 adopted kids. The channel had 250 million views before it was taken down.
But off camera, the children were allegedly victims of horrendous abuse.
Team 12's Nicole Zymek is live for us in the Alert Center with the breaking details. Nicole?
Yeah, guys, Maricopa Police Department confirming to 12 News that Hobson passed away in Scottsdale this morning. Hobson has been sick for a while. She suffered a brain injury while in custody months ago and had missed several court dates. But tonight, the Pinal County Attorney's spokesperson saying it's not dismissing charges until they have a death certificate.
If she is not competent, not able to appreciate the actions that she committed, then she can't be punished.
That was Pinal County Attorney Kent Volker back in August when a judge deemed Machelle Hobson incompetent but restorable, meaning she was temporarily considered unfit for trial. Sources told 12 News Hobson suffered a brain injury while in custody. Hobson was arrested in her Maricopa home back in March. The arrest making national headlines when details of her alleged abuse were made public. Hobson's YouTube channel racked up hundreds of millions of views. Court documents say she may have made as much as $300,000 in 2018. But behind the scenes, detectives describe a house of horrors. Police say Machelle Hobson put the 7 acting kids, ages 3 to 15, through extreme abuse, allegedly sometimes pepper spraying them in the genitals and locking them in a closet for days at a time with no food or water, forcing them to perform on camera. Hobson was indicted on 30 counts, including kidnapping, child abuse, and aggravated assault. Now, Hobson was receiving treatment in the Valley, but it's still unclear what the conditions of her death were. Guys, back to you.
All right, Nicole, thank you.